Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Ford Mustang. It's on a 21 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see that it's a two-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside its boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Those four tailpipes, plenty of boot space as well. You can access the rear of the car and increase this space further, should you wish to, by folding down either of those rear seats as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it. Now that we've done a full circle, though, you can see, firstly, the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, the coolant temperature gauge below that. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge below that. Within the speedometer, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. And then in the center, the main trip computer. So you can change information that's displayed in here. Below that, the total miles of this car, as you can see, they are 37,215. And to the right-hand side of that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park currently. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have our stereo controls, our cruise control, the buttons to change information up here, as well as other information within the car itself. And then below that, we have our phone controls, music controls, nav controls as well. Behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus pedals are so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the center next, we have the main touch screen. So you can access your home screen. From there, you can, of course, access your audio options. You'll see we have AM, FM, DAB radio, CD player, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly once you've paired up your phone. You can also plug USB inputs in. If you do so, they'll appear up here as further options for you. Back to the home screen from here. This is where you add and pair your phone. You can also connect up certain Ford-friendly apps to the car, and they include Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as you can see. We've also got a full color reversing camera. Below the main screen, the volume for your stereo, and then our dual zone climate control. So you can access the passenger temperature just here, and the temperature will come up on the screen. Driver temperature, fan speed, and then when you're happy with those settings, as your air conditioning off, back on again, or you can hit auto. The car, as you can hear, will now take full control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. Any manual adjustment will override auto straight away again and let you put it back on your own settings. We have a heated rear screen just here and a heated front screen. Below that, you can change the driving setup of the car, the steering modes, you can put it into sport, for example. Traction control you can turn on and off. Our hazard warning lights. This is where you start and stop the engine itself. We have some storage underneath that, USB input, which I mentioned a moment ago, a 12-volt charging socket, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and then two cup holders as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.